Good morning, everyone. My name is Francesco Benvenuto, and today I want to talk about how augmented, mixed, and virtual reality are shaping the field technician of the future. So before we get started, I want to spend a few words about the company that I work for, Over IT. Over IT is an international company that has headquarters located in Italy, but we have also offices here in the United States and in South America. And we have over 20 years experience in field service management. Basically, by field service management, I mean all the planning, the optimization, and the scheduling of activities that need to be carried out by the technician working inside or outside of the production plant. We also provide our customers and their technicians with a very advanced cartographic solution with a very deep integration with the Esri. So we are able to mobilize the technician working on the field. And since about 5 years now, we have started working on an augmented, mixed, and virtual reality solution, which is part of our field service management product called GeoCall, but it works also as a standalone product. GeoCall, it's part of the Gartner's Magic Quadrant for field service management since about 2014 for a few reasons. First of all, the fact that it has a very powerful scheduling engine. We can integrate with any ERP or any asset management system and GIS, Geographic Information System. And as I said, for the connection with our augmented reality product, which is called Space1. So when we thought about providing our clients with an augmented, mixed, and virtual reality solution, we wanted to provide them with a tool, a product, that would help them perform the activities that they need to carry out on the field by also reducing the complexity of such activities. Space1 today, it's a product that is available on Windows, on Android, and on iOS. It works on any browser. And it's a parametric solution which has a very quick deployment. So basically, typically when we work with our customer, we provide them, we work with the agile methodology. So in a matter of weeks, we are able to deploy a project. Space1 is available on the cloud and also on premise. And we usually keep on integrating with any device that comes out in the market. We like to say that Space1 is a platform-independent solution available on tablets, available on the head-mounted displays, and also on immersive visors. Really, depending on what our customer are trying to achieve, we provide our solution to any device. Head-mounted displays, for example, for working hands-free, or even for enabling voice commands, and so on. Immersive visors, typically, we use for learning and sales training. We have done many different kinds of projects, and today I would like also to share a few videos about real case scenarios, real application that we did with our customers. But just to mention a few ones, we've done projects with the RealWear, with the Microsoft HoloLens, with the ODGs, with the Epson Moverio, and so on. Today, our application suite is composed of 4 products: the maintenance, the virtual collaboration, the sales, and the GIS. So since we have an experience in the utility market, but also in the industry, we wanted to provide, as I said, a solution for the technician working on the field. I would like to share the first video that really summarizes the 4 products that I just mentioned, and then we'll go, we'll show every one of the 4 products in detail. Okay, so we have seen basically different kind of applications, maintenance, for example, within production plants. We have seen the virtual collaboration for helping a technician working on the field, even the sales application in a real estate application, and also the GIS. Let me spend a few words about the maintenance first. So with our product, with the maintenance product, we are able to provide a step-by-step procedure for the technician that is working in the field, on the field. So they can easily follow the guideline, and they can even put in place a safety procedure. By basically, the technician working on the field can also use many different kind of multimedia content, like 3D models, videos, PDFs, images, and everything to complete the job. And there are a few benefits about the maintenance product. Well, first of all, we can improve the efficiency, we can reduce the mistakes, and we can also really reduce the learning time of the people that need to perform a certain activity. For example, we have here a very big company, a Dutch brewing company that basically is producing cans. They basically fill over 90,000 cans per hour in their production plant, and they had an issue because they had to rely on a third-party technician to come to the production plant to solve an issue to the machine. So thanks to the Space1 maintenance, they were able to put together a step-by-step procedure for the technician, who using basically holograms and also image recognition, could perform the job and really reduce the downtime of the machine. The second product that I want to talk about is the virtual collaboration, and I also have a big news today. Virtual collaboration, since today, for us, was a product that allowed the companies, our customer, to support technicians working on the field from the help of someone located somewhere else, who can share the same view, who can share 3D objects, who can collaborate on the same view. So basically, the technician that, for example, doesn't have the skill to perform a certain job can still do the maintenance activities thanks to the help of someone located somewhere else. So the first one that I just said, it's a virtual assistant. We will see in a few seconds a video where one of our clients used the virtual assistant for performing maintenance activities. But today, we also bring here a new, the virtual training and presentation of products. So we are able to connect multiple users on, for example, the Microsoft HoloLens, and to create a virtual classroom, a virtual showroom, where we have a master who can enable other users to manipulate content and to present, for example, a very complex product. So we are really bringing, let's say, the presentation of a product to the next level thanks to the virtual collaboration. We can also share a virtual blackboard so that the people connected in the presentation can interact not only with the 3D object, but also with other multimedia content. For example, Hera, it's a large multi-utility that works in the water and energy sector. And they use our solution for providing their technician with the support from someone that is working in a different place, in a different environment, who could provide details about how to perform a certain activities. I have a video that shows how virtual collaboration and maintenance combined together can really bring the maintenance activities to the next level. Okay? I would like to spend a few words about the third product of the application suite. It's the Space1 GIS. So basically, by exposing GIS data, we are able to visualize on any device assets that are located, for example, underground. So the technician working on the field can go out with the head-mounted display, with the tablet, and really display in augmented reality such layers that are located underground. Just by tapping on the layer, they can also retrieve additional information about that specific assets. And so they can understand the impact, for example, of a certain layer in the environment, and they can even really reduce the time for identifying specific assets on the field. For example, we have Snam, one of the Europe main natural gas companies, is using our application for tracking and displaying in augmented reality gas layers that are located underground. They can retrieve, again, additional information, but most of all, this application is able to work online and offline. So imagine that a technician is going to a place where there's no connection. Before going there, they can download the data on their device, they can perform the job, and then synchronize when they get back to a place where there is connection. One short video. Okay, so we have seen the GIS, and the last one of the 4 products in our application suite is the Space1 Sales. Thanks to the Space1 Sales, we are able to represent in augmented reality any kind of product and create a virtual showroom, for example. I have an example of a company in the fashion industry that is using the Space1 GIS to display clothes in augmented reality on their showroom and to understand the impact of, for example, a certain product in the showroom. This is Arteni, and I have a very short clip that shows the potential of the Space1 sales application. Okay, very quick video. My presentation is over. We are available at booth 712 for any live demo. We have so many devices that are together with us, so please stop by, and we'll answer all your questions at our booth. Thank you again. Thank you so much.